Hey guys, welcome. So if Microsoft Teams is crashing, stuck on a loading screen, or refusing to open on your laptop, the fix is usually found in your system cache or app settings. So let's get you back into your meeting step by step. First, verify if the problem is local or a global outage. Following the major North American service disruptions on March 6, ensure services are fully restored by checking the official Microsoft 365 status page or down detector before troubleshooting your hardware. Most loading errors are caused by corrupt temporary files. So just close Teams completely and press Windows plus R. Type the path for the MS Teams package and local updater, select all files within the local cache folder, and delete them to reset the app's temporary memory. If the app still won't launch, you need to open your Windows settings and go to Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Teams, click the three dots, and select Advanced Options. And then try the repair button first to fix files without losing data. If that fails, use reset to wipe the app's local configuration. So you go to your installed files in here and then modify. The app also has to support this as well. Advanced options, then you firstly repair and then reset, if not uninstall and reinstall. Also ensure you are using the new Teams client as the classic version was retired in late 2025. Check for updates within the app or download the latest installer directly from Microsoft. If you have an urgent meeting and the desktop app is still failing, go to teams.microsoft.com in a supported browser like Chrome or Edge. The web version provides almost identical functionality and bypasses most local installation bugs instantly. So that's it. Now you're ready to jump back into your next call without the technical headaches. If this guide helped you save your workday, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a quick tech fix. See you in the next one.